Yo, what is going on, guys? Everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to explain to you how I've been able to generate hundreds of thousands of dollars per month from meme coins without sitting here and trading random coins. Instead of trading meme coins and then getting completely rugged right after, I just dev my own coins and do it myself, and doing that has led me to better and more consistent profits for me over time. You guys have to realize that deving meme coins is way more profitable than trading. A bunch of influencers like Orange and Cupsy are saying so. That's exactly why I'm making this video, bro. I will be showing you how it's done. If you're tired of losing money in meme coins or you are doing it completely wrong, you are trading meme coins, but I am deving them instead, and that's exactly how I made all this money, all from specifically deving coins on chain. And I'm breaking down the exact method right now all into this video. That's exactly why you have to be watching this video. Now, yes, bro, a while ago I was trading meme coins a lot. I was making decent money, but there's a reason to why I switched. The reason why is that in 2026, the new meta is actually deving. Most traders in 2026, when they buy a coin, they just get completely liquidated and they lose their entire position. But if you start deving though, the complete opposite will happen. You risk absolutely nothing when it comes to deving. You can launch as many coins as you want. There might be a tiny blockchain fee, but it's nothing too much, right? And then you can just launch coins, wait for people to buy in, and when the hype is high, you are the one that is cashing out and doing this instead of trading. And that's exactly why I highly recommend everyone to start deving. I am not the only one that is recommending this. Also, Orangey, Cupsy, Scented, all these people are saying that deving is taking over trading. It might be a problem in this space, but if it works, if it makes money, well, deving is the way to go. That's exactly why I'm making this video. I will do a live example. I will show you step by step on how to do it, all in this video. Just make sure to watch until the end, bro, and you will learn everything. And by the way, bro, this video was recorded for educational purposes only. I do not condone any financial advice. I am not a financial advisor, okay? But keep watching, bro. Cap! Now, most beginner devs, and even me at the beginning, we were all launching meme coins on Pump.Fun, and some still do. And let me tell you why Pump.Fun is not good to dev meme coins. First of all, it's oversaturated. Too many coins are launching every single second while I'm speaking. So if you launch a meme coin, well, there's a low chance that it goes viral. So you are just wasting your time. On top of that, they control your liquidity pool, they control your tokens. You cannot actually cash out on the spot, okay? They take also a cut from your profits. So I would highly recommend to dev somewhere else. But before we get into that, bro, the main goal as a dev is to get your tokens in front of the Raydium DEX, because here in the migrate section, which is also the Raydium DEX, is where most people are waiting to buy your coin. As you guys can see here, there's 9.4k users on Axum, and all these people, or the majority, are basically waiting for your coin to migrate and then to buy in if it has a good narrative. Now, for your meme coin to reach the Raydium DEX, you could either make a coin on Pump.Fun and then it has to reach a $55,000 market cap, or you can go directly to create meme.io and you can launch your meme coins here, which will instantly go to Raydium. It will skip the entire bonding curve, it will skip all the requirements, and it will go directly to Raydium, where thousands of people and traders will potentially buy your coin. That's exactly why this launchpad is gatekept. Now, I'm going to walk you through, guys, exactly how a coin is made on this platform and launched. There are two ways to create a token here, and the option that you choose to make a coin, it all depends to you. The first method is launching a coin completely from scratch, from the ground up. Now, this starts with finding a narrative. You want something that has already attention on it. Now, go on X and look for a viral tweet, a political headline. It could be literally anything. It could be a meme spreading fast. For example, bro, there was a penguin on TikTok that went completely viral. Also, there is a lot of political wars going on, okay, that could be good too. Once you have a narrative, come back to create meme.io, invent a name, add a quick symbol, then add a quick image, and then as you guys can see, your coin is live after these steps. But the second method is what I personally use. It's the copy trending coin strategy. Now these are tokens that are already gaining huge attention and non-stop buyers on Pump.Fun right now while I'm speaking. The hype is proven, the attention is already on these coins, and the volume is already moving. So instead of creating a whole new coin from scratch, you are stepping directly into existing momentum, and that means you get a bunch of buyers in your coin way more faster by copying coins, and you have a much higher chance of quick bags. Now I'm going to do an example. Okay guys, now it's time to copy a coin and then launch it on chain officially and then see how much we can make from vamping a coin. I will show you guys exactly why I use this strategy right now. So first of all, make sure your phantom wallet is connected. I will do a quick example. So disconnect, then reconnect, and bang, it's connected. Click on refresh right here to have all the new coins because it does change every single minute. And I'm gonna copy the Flork coin, right? Now click on copy to Raydium, right? Wait for your phantom to show up. Ignore the block, it's completely normal. Every single launchpad will get this exact same pop-up for every single launchpad. Click on proceed, confirm and understand, and then confirm, and then the coin should be vamped or copied. Bang! And if you click on view on Solana, okay, if you want, you guys can see that it's minted 10 seconds ago. It's live on the Solana blockchain. It's public. You guys can go check if you want to, but there's no point. And now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this step of the launch process is really fucking simple. We are just creating the Raydium liquidity pool, and then it will be in our control and it will go directly to Raydium, right? This is where we create the pool. It's that simple, okay? Now for the amount of coins right here, just tap on the 90% button. That will input 900 million tokens of the 1 billion balance into your coin. Right under for the amount of SOL to pair, that's basically the first transaction in your coin. You as a dev, you are buying your own supply in your own coin. Like that, you can profit off of every single other people buying right after you. Now you are not losing anything here. I'm going to put 0.3 SOL, which I recommend everyone to put 2, and you will get this back later once you cash out. You just need 0.3 SOL for the pool at the beginning, but you will get it back after. Click on create pool. Wait for your phantom wallet to pop up, okay? Ignore the block. Click on proceed, confirm and understand, confirm. After that, bro, click on the refresh button down below, and then scroll down, and boom, the Flork coin is now created and live in the Raydium DEX, right? It's all live. People are able to buy the coin and your profits are right there. Now if you want to check your profits at any given moment on your coin, click on refresh, and now as you guys can see here, bro, 160 bucks is how much we're up right now while I'm talking. People are buying our coin, and that's exactly what we love to see. Now click on view on Photon or Axum, or go on your desired terminal to see the coin, okay? Let me go on full screen, and then just wait for a coin to load in, okay? And then the coin should be live, okay? Oh, it's dumping a bit, but it's not a big deal, okay? More and more people are going to start seeing the coin, okay? And they are going to potentially ape in. That is what we're hoping for. Since we copied a coin that went viral before, well, we have a high chance of converting a lot. It has a decent community behind it, I hope so. So okay, 12 cents, bro. Get that weak shot out of here, bro. Come on now. 1.2k market cap. Things are looking decent. Come on, a $42 buy. It's actually insane because this coin costed us $0 to make. That's exactly why deving meme coins is so profitable. Way more profitable than trading, because you don't need to put anything in your coin. Well, the 0.3 SOL for the liquidity pool is what you need to put, but you are getting that back later, so it's not a big deal. Anyways, I'm gonna give this coin some time for it to push up, and when I come back, I will show you how to cash out your profits, for example. Alright guys, I am back and bang bro, we are at a 4.5k market cap within a couple minutes, and that's actually insane for a launch on camera. Now, to cash out your winnings, come back to create Meme.io and then click on the refresh button. And as you guys can see here bro, $1.9 thousand is what we are going to get if we cash out right now, and that's actually insane dog. Like, what the fuck? People make this in like a month from working in 9 to 5. Anyways, click on the minus button, do 100%, remove liquidity, wait for your phantom to just pop up real quick, right? And then ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. And bang bro, that's exactly how you cash out on your coin right now bro. And look, if I open my phantom wallet, bang, I did receive the money, 22 Solana. That's not a bad shot. Now it's up to you, okay, to stay consistent, to launch these coins over and over again and build up that port. That's exactly how I achieved, you know, high numbers. Now the results will vary in between each launch. You might make 5k off of a coin, $100, $20, you never know. But yeah bro, stay consistent, create Meme.io will be linked in the comments down below in the description. And yeah bro, peace out.